2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2.
Well, that's close enough. Okay.
Okay. Okay?
Okay.
Alright?
I banged my knee on the stairs. I'm so Grayson, so sweet. He's trying to take care of it. He said he's gonna get his doctor stuff. Ooh, ooh, honey, gentle, gentle.
Sorry, you don't
It's okay. It's okay, honey. Just it's a little sore. Aw, thank you.
Mommy?
What a good doctor.
I take it.
You did. You're so sweet, honey.
There it goes. Cleaning up.
All right. They're cleaning up, and I'm about to vacuum. And I just washed all the slip covers. Grayson's gonna help vacuum.
Mom, I turned it off.
Oh, I know. You did really good, honey. That's a lovely view. He's not gonna mess it up, honey.
This didn't go as planned.
This is the opposite of what I meant to happen. Look at Audrey. She's like, hey, 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 I'm working here. Occupado.
It totally could get hurt. It's a very dangerous stunt. Don't try this at home.
I don't want her little head to fall off, honey. That's a good 1/4 inch. Straight to the ground.
Daddy, can you get the baby on the litter right there? Mama, can you get the baby on the
Madness!
Oh, Kyle.
Get off, come on. Seriously.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I mess up your master plan?
You know what? It will take a lot less time to put together like this than it would just like, you know, randomly snarch them all up.
We don't need to check the bathroom. We don't need to check the bathroom. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, yet. 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Debbie, ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
There's nothing to see here.
Huh?
There's nothing to see here.
A dream.
Making sitting on the potty more interesting. I gotta show you guys what we got today. I was so surprised. I have all the mail lying out. So I opened the package and this was inside. She sent them. Christina, I was so touched. That's how you know, like, this whole potty training thing has been kind of,
Your turn. All right, let's hear it.
not kind of, has been hard. Because I was literally touched enough that I got almost teary-eyed that she thought to send those books. I was like, So sweet. I don't know. Thank you so much. That was so sweet. I told Kyle when he got home from work, I was like, we're reading them tonight. Hey, Sophie, show your bruises on your leg. Look at this, you guys. She's covered in bruises. And I asked her how she got them, and she said they're fun bruises. She got them playing.
Yeah, when you run a lot of places that you have places that you get these fun bruises.
Yeah.
I'll grab that.
And you have
Kyle, have you noticed Sophia's favorite dress?
Oh yeah.
She wears this dress. She wears this dress all the time, you guys.
on a 6 level.
I know, honey.
2, 3, 4. There's actually 7 because look, there's like one there, but it's a little tan.
Well, you know what? It just means that you played hard. Oop, Audrey just grabbed the camera. Nummy, 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 nummy. Oh, that's a big open mouth. You wanted that, huh? She just had a little bit of carrots. You know, she's having some squash. Nummy, 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 nummy. I don't want you blowing raspberries with that in your mouth. Grayson is not happy upstairs about potty training. What's wrong, sister?
When I was closing the door, the edge part went right in the edge part went right there. The edge part went right there, and then it slammed right. Then when it was going, it hit right there.
Oh, honey, are you all right?
Yeah.
That's probably how you're getting your bruises.
I
You went potty?
Again, by himself. Made me shut the door and leave.
Really? So he just likes the privacy. You guys, he's several of the times this week when we got him to go potty, it's when Kyle and I left the room. So maybe he just has a little performance anxiety. Grayson, good job! I'm so proud of you!
As soon as he shut the door on me, he was mad at me about something else.
Uh-huh.
And then as soon as he shut the door, like 5 seconds later, his person was so he definitely does, like,
Have a little.
first or do it.
Well, that's fine.
So he does know.
That's fine, Mommy.
And we can't be in there with him. Like,
That's
but it's hard
fine.
because when we leave, he wants to leave too.
Yeah. Well, we'll work it out. We're getting there.
So I have.
Grayson, good job. High five. Great, high five. Yeah. And look what he gets, you guys. What did you get, Grayson?
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2.
Well, that's close enough.
I eat it.
Yes, you can. Guys, when he goes, he gets tons of gummy bears. Not just one, not just 2. He gets supposed to get 5, but he got a lot more. Good job. Very proud of you.
Mommy, I got 1.
You got 1. Audrey is done eating, and I am in the process of cleaning the kitchen. Did you just drop your cup? Here you go. Here you go. Look, guys, she's practicing with her cup. She's gotten good at it, huh? Whoa, I see you. That's crazy.
1, 2, 3, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 1, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I almost can win. That my turn. 10 hugs and 11 kisses. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. How many was that? Mom, how many was that?
That was 5.
Okay. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I saw you do it. Awesome.
2, 3, 4.
Good job, Gray.
6.
What's 5?
5. What's 5?
It has 5 sides. Remember?
No, I don't.
Pentagon.
Good job.
Pentagon.
I know, you remember. Like this?
Uh-huh. I just turn this. No, don't take it out, Mommy.
I won't. Oh no, it's collapsing.
No, not trapping. Wait, the train goes out to the truck. Whoa. Choo choo. Don't be the door out the tunnel. Mommy, the door out the tunnel. No, that's, yeah. The train bob off. The train is blowing up. Stop it. You're bringing me, train. Choo choo. Be at the back. It's not dipping, but Mommy, the train is going back. Mom, the train is going back. Choo 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 choo. No, don't get it out, Mommy. No. Mommy, don't do. Don't stop. Stop that tunnel.
If you lose your ball, Audrey, here you go, honey.
Mommy, the train is turning. Too big. It's not. Maybe one Thomas train. Maybe one Thomas train. Watch out. Oh no, now the train is going down. Now the train is going down. I want that one. No, which one did you? So he likes the pop this, and what other one do you like? Pop this. Still two pop of a ghost. Oh, a ghost. There's a ghost behind me. Get it off. Get it off. Get it off. It's mine. No, it's not. Mine, Cole. He's in the camp. He's in camp.